This LG 19-inch HD-ready computer monitor is suitable for home and office use. With HD-ready resolution, you can see fine detail and textures with rich colors and clarity. This LG monitor comes with a 19-inch HD-ready display with TN panel and anti-glare technology that provides rich and vivid widescreen viewing. With 16:9 aspect ratio, the monitor is well suited for reading, web browsing or playing games. This LG monitor is flicker safe and comes with reader mode that helps maximize visual comfort by protecting your eyes from harmful blue light and reducing the flicker level to almost zero. The monitor comes with split screen option that displays multiple windows at once, allowing you to multitask. It also comes with built-in on-screen controls to switch between modes. The monitor has one VGA port and one HDMI port for easy connectivity. The monitor comes with power cord and D-sub cable. This LG monitor comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can avail EMI options.